Hi guys, so today we are going to make a bok choy salad by just steaming it and with a simple yummy peanut dressing. So let's get started. Here I have some bok choy leaves and I'm going to steam it over a hot boiling pan for about 2 to 3 minutes. You will know that these leaves are perfect for the salad when you open and they've shrunk in size a tad bit. Now since our bok choy is ready, let's get started on the dressing. Here I have some garlic and some spring onions, and I'm going to add the spring onions to chopped garlic. To that, I'm adding a tablespoon of onion, finely chopped again, some garlic powder for the extra taste, also 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. You can use the ordinary sauce as well, but I really like this one because it has a little sweet and sour taste to it. Now for the peanut base, you can use crushed peanuts, but this is a really simple way of having the peanut taste is just adding half tablespoon of peanut butter. Now I'm heating 2 tablespoons of oil and then adding it to our dressing. This helps with the consistency of the dressing. I have used olive oil. This is what our dressing looks like, and now we're going to mix everything really well to combine all the flavors of the ingredients that we've just added. I'm also adding a little bit of salt to taste. This is exactly the consistency that we're looking for, and it looks super delicious. Here I have plated the bok choy and I have cut the leaves into small pieces, but if you want them to be long as before, you can continue with that as well. To that, we are going to add the peanut sauce that we just made. Now you can mix the entire thing and serve it, but I like to just add it on top and then serve it. Don't forget to garnish this with a little bit of spring onion and also white onion. Hope you enjoyed this simple but still yummy salad. Thank you.